What happens when you're under contract and the appraisal comes back and it's not at or above contract price? What do? Let's find out. Hi, Kelly Harden with Mihara Associates, and today we're going to talk about what happens when you're under contract and the appraisal's done, and when you get the appraisal back from the bank, it doesn't meet or exceed the price of the house. What are you going to do? As a buyer, you're hoping the appraised value of the home is at the contract price or above, which means that you're getting the house at a good value. As a seller, you want the appraised value to come in exactly at the contract price because you don't want to think that you're selling it and leaving money on the table. And occasionally it comes in low. When that happens, typically the contract is open to renegotiation on the price. One option is that the sellers can lower the price of the home to meet the appraisal value. That's probably one of the more typical scenarios. Another option is the buyers can come up with the additional cash at closing to cover the separation in the value of the appraisal and the contract price. That happens occasionally as well. A third option is each side could kick in a little bit. The sellers can lower the price a little bit and the buyers can come up with a little bit of cash to where they meet in the middle, so everybody is happy. Another option is the buyers do, depending on the contract, have the option of canceling and walking away. The problem with that is everybody's so invested in the sale at that point that it makes the most sense to find a compromise solution. Let's talk about the appraisal for a moment. I went to my friend Carlos Ramos. He's a lender, and he knows specific details on the different types of appraisals and how long that value will stay with the property. Let's see what Carlos has to say.
Carlos, how long does an appraisal stay with the property?
All right, so if you're purchasing a VA loan, the appraisal stays with the home for 6 months. Okay, that means that value for that house, that's it, it's with that property. Whether you're the buyer on that home or you fall out and another buyer comes in to buy VA, we have to transfer it over to that buyer.
So that appraisal price point sticks
right.
with the house for 6 months.
Correct, on a VA loan. FHA buyer, that's a little different. That stays with the house for 4 months. However, if you get the same appraiser with the mortgage company, he can actually extend it for another 4 months, but it has to go with the same appraiser. Okay. Then conventional is a little different. With a conventional loan, it's usually one and done, pretty much. But if you can get a company to transfer it over, you're going to be in luck because that saves, the money for the appraisal, and then you can also as well.
But that's not common to do.
It is not common.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Carlos.
You're welcome.
I hope that answers all of your questions on appraisals. If not, please reach out to me. You can reach me at my email, kelly@kellyharden.realtor, and my phone number is 813-244-9688. I'd love to hear from you.